If I'm in a relationship with you and I want to post your picture, I'm going to post your picture. Okay? I'm not going to ask for your permission to post your picture. I'm going to post your picture if me and you are dating. Especially if we're supposed to be exclusive. If we're just, you know, hooking up for the heck of it, if we're just fuck buddies, if we're just friends with benefits, that's one thing, and I can understand, you don't want me to post your picture because you don't feel you get a wrong idea. But if we're exclusive, if you're bae and I'm calling you bae, I'm calling you babe, and I'm calling you lover, and I'm introducing you to my friends and whatever, yeah, your picture is going up on social media. Unless my friends know what's up and know that I'm just a thought, a turbo thought. But yeah, I'm gonna post your picture regardless. So girl, if you want to post that picture, post that picture. I don't care. If he want to get mad, let him get mad. Okay? Okay. Hey bunnies, before we begin, as usual, please go ahead and grab yourself a drink. I am drinking vodka cranberry with some lime juice, and then I made this cute little lime detail thing. I just took like a thin slice of the lime, made a cut down from the center to the end, and then just twisted it, put it on my glass, on my rim. If you guys want to do that, that's how you do it. Yeah, so get your drink and come back. I think I might take my wedge off because it keeps sliding all over the glass and making it look really dirty. It tastes so good. Like, I forgot how good vodka cranberry tastes with lime juice. Back to the old setup. It was fun and all, you know, with the curtain and the couch and whatever, but I think I prefer having just a blank white backdrop. Let me know if you guys prefer this old setup or the one that we just had last week with the couch. The topic comes from, like, today I did my very first, well, not today, yesterday, Saturday, which is what today is, what you're going to be seeing this on Sunday. So Saturday I did my very first Instagram live video where I was just doing my makeup and playing Life of Pablo. It's like my favorite album to like get me like in the mood. Yes, Kanye, yes. Don't debate me, facts. Yeah, I was filming me getting ready to do this video, and one of my girlfriends came on, Penny. You guys remember Penny from like a bunch of other videos. Asked her for a suggestion for Naked Sunday, and she said when he's bae but he doesn't want to be on social media. So I was like, yeah, that's a pretty good topic. I've never done anything like that, so let's jump into that. This is all my opinion on the topic. If you have your own opinions, please, I'm begging you, comment down below whether you agree, disagree, or in between. If you're in the same position, let me know. My thing is, if he's bae and you're his bae, he shouldn't have a problem with you posting his picture on social media. My question to him would be, do you have somebody else? Are you with somebody else? Is somebody else trying to claim you and you're afraid that if I post the picture, they're gonna see you? Is that the reason why you don't want, you know, whatever? Because if I'm calling you bae, obviously me and you have some kind of connection, some kind of thing going, right? Right. If at some point a guy or a girl is like, yo, don't put me on your social media, it's one of two things. One, he's either like super private, which is completely understandable, but if he's at the same time always on Instagram, always on Facebook, always on Snapchat, how private is he really? So if that's the case where he's like always, you know, really social, but then is telling you at the same time not to post this picture, something not something and something not right. That should be like my new tagline, something not something not right. This is like the second time I'm saying this. Him not wanting to post you is one thing. It's kind of, you know, kind of fishy, but you know, that's one thing, because you want your guy to show you off, or you want your girl to show you want your person to show you off. In this day and age, in this era, everybody wants to feel appreciated and loved and like they're above before anyone else. Bae, right? And if they're telling you, yo, don't put my picture up, something is wrong, something is fishy, unless, like I said, they're super private. And that's just my opinion on the matter. So if he's telling you, yo, don't post my picture, even though you consider him to be bae or consider her to be bae, ask them what's going on. Ask them why. Because if you see them every single day on Snapchat and Facebook and Twitter and Instagram or whatever, that means they're like sliding in other people's DMs and they don't want them there status to get blown up. They don't want other people, other girls, other guys to know that they are seeing someone else, and that's just gonna mess up their game. And that's my personal opinion on the matter. If you feel differently, please comment below. If you agree, comment below. I want us to have a conversation. I say this like every single video. Let us build a conversation. Let us have a repertoire. And I'm trying to finish this drink. Let's take this off. Look how dirty my glasses now. I hope you can't see that. I'll drop this in here. The vodka cranberry, and of course it's Specca with 100% cranberry juice. Yes. And then a little bit of natural lime juice, like straight from the lime. Cut it in half, squeeze it. Yes. Oh, this tastes so good. When I tell you guys to get a drink, do you actually get a drink, or am I wasting my time telling you to get a drink? Because I really want you guys to drink with me. And if you're drinking, comment below what you're drinking. Okay? That's, of course, if you're over the legal drinking age in your country. Because I'm not trying to get, you know, emails and stuff from parents like, you got my kid drunk. Yeah, no. So make sure you're over the legal drinking age in your country.